Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something really exciting, building a complete, fully functional website using TRAE AI, no manual coding, just powerful AI magic. Let's get started. TRAE AI is an intelligent platform that lets you create apps, websites, and more with just a prompt. You simply tell it what you want, and it builds it for you using advanced AI models like Gemini and ChatGPT. To get started, head over to the TRAE website and download the TRAE IDE. It's available for both Mac and Windows users. If you are on Linux, it's not supported just yet, but you can enter your email to join the waitlist. Once downloaded, install the IDE like any standard app. The installation is quick and seamless. After launching the TRAE IDE, here's what the interface looks like. You will notice a list of all available AI models, and if you click the gear icon, you will find key sections like agents, MCP, context, rules, and models. For this video, we will focus on agents. We are creating a new custom agent called Website Builder with the following prompt. You are a website creation expert agent that builds high quality, responsive, and SEO optimized websites based on user prompts. This will be our smart agent that knows how to design, code, and structure websites for us. Now, we will use our Website Builder agent with the Gemini 2.5 Flash model to create our first website. We are asking it to build a modern AI-powered recipe and meal planner called SmartBite. We have added our core features, design preferences, and audience focus, and just hit enter. In seconds, TRAE begins analyzing the prompt and generating all the files needed: HTML, CSS, images, components, and more. We have to click accept all to keep the generated files. Let's hit preview to take a look at the website so far. And it's already coming together beautifully. Now let's give it another prompt. Implement rest of the capabilities. Watch it adding the remaining features like meal planning. And just like that, the meal planner is live. You can now generate your own meal plan from this website. Want to expand the website? Just prompt it. Add a contact us section and TRAE adds it instantly. You can review your website and ask TRAE to modify anything: fonts, layout, content, and it makes the changes for you. Here's a final look at the website in the browser. From zero to a complete website, all in minutes. Thanks to TRAE AI. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit like, smash that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.